continue to imagine that it's a windy day, what are some things that we would do as actors, as performers, to think about the wind? Maybe our bodies would move, or our mouths would open and wonder, or maybe we would hunch over. These are the things that you can think about. Now, I made a kite out of some paper, old string, and ribbons, and we're going to pretend to fly a kite. So feel free to make your own kite or to join me in pretending it's a windy day for kite flying. Here we go! Don't forget to look up at your kite.